ओ नमो नमः। संस्कृत कणिका अष्टमी अभ्यंकरकुलोत्पन्नस्य श्रीपादशर्मणः संस्कृत स्निपेट नंबर 8 स्टडी ऑफ ए ऐ ओ औ and aha by S.L. Abhyankar. In the title of this study, I have also included and aha alongside of A, I, O, Au. The reason for including them is because what Devanagari Varnamala we were taught had and aha in continuation of A, I, O, Au. In Ekakshara Koshaha also, there is mention of and aha in continuation of A, I, O, Au. See, एकार उच्यते विष्णुरैकारस्यान् महेश्वरः ओकारस्तु भवेद् ब्रह्मा ओंकारोऽनन्त उच्यते अं स्याच्च परं ब्रह्म अस्याच्चैव महेश्वरः. I am taking cognizance of and aha for three reasons. Firstly, we are taught Devanagari Varnamala in this way. In Ekakshara Koshaha also, there is a mention of and aha in continuation of A, I, O, Au. Thirdly, study of and aha was possibly misread in the Kanika about aha is savisargaha, visarga sahita a. I rechecked Kanika number 3. Well, there is detailing of aha there, but not of Let us take it that is sanuswaraha, anuswara sahitaha. But has the potential to prompt far more detailed study than the simplistic understanding that is sanuswaraha, anuswara sahitaha. Before that, let me compile the study of A, I, O, Au. It would be good to recapitulate rather to copy-paste the study done earlier regarding Swarocharaha, Chandasi Matraha and Savarnasandhina Adeshaha of A, I, O, Au. A. Swarocharaha Ashtadasha, Chandasi Matre Dve. Savarnasandhina Adeshaha A plus A equal to IA. Note, the first A in Sandhi becomes converted to, changes to I. And to that I adds A, the next A. So it becomes IA. For example, Ganapataye etat equal to Ganapataya etat. Note, Sutram 6-1-101 Akassavarane Dirgha does not apply here. It applies only to vowels comprised in ak, that is a, e, u, ru, ru. The applicable sutram is echo yavayavaha 6-1-78. Savarna sandhina adesha A plus I equal to II. For example, Ganapataye plus Aichat, Ganapataya Yaichat. I think it would be good to add here what details are available about A in Aptay's dictionary and in Shabdakalpadrumaha. A is a dhatu. See, A dvitiya ganiyaha parasmaipadi A plus E. So A is the upasarga and mool dhatu is E. So A plus E, the dhatu has to be called as A. To come, approach. Amayanto brahmacharinaha. This is from Taittiriya Upanishad. To teach, attain, come into a state or position. Sa sarvasamatam etya. This is from Manusmriti. To submit, fall to one's share. Tasmat tvam prathak balaya ayanti. This is from Chandogya Upanishad. Then A is a noun. A, masculine. Name of Vishnu. The number Kharva. Also, A Kumaro Suro Saratir Jnatiyo Hitaduddhataha Atma Shesho Vivasvanshcha Krutartho Madhvarisharaha. This is quoted in Aptech Dictionary from Ekartha Namamala of Saubhari. A is indeclinable, an interjection of remembering, envy, compassion, calling, contempt or censure. In Shabdakalpadrumaha, this has been mentioned as A avyayam smritihi, remembering, asuya, envy, anukampa, compassion, amantranam, calling, auhanam, contempt or censure, iti medini. So in Shabdakalpadrumaha, it is quoted from Medini Vyakhya, but there is a good correspondence between what is quoted from Medini in Shabdakalpadrumaha and what is quoted in Aptech Dictionary. अस्योच्चारण स्थानम तालुकंठश्च यदुक्तम सिद्धांत कौमुद्याम ए रहितो कंठतालु तथा च शिक्षायाम ए ऐतु कंठतालव्यावो औ कंठोष्टजौ स्मृतौ. And some more information about A from Kamadhenu Tantram in Shabdakalpadrumaha. Ekaram paramam divyam brahma vishnu shivatmakam ranjini kusuma prakyam panchadevamayam sada panchapranaatmakam varanam tatha bindutrayatmakam chaturvargapradam devi swayam paramakundali iti Kamadhenu Tantram. Ehe pullingam eti प्राप्नोति सर्वं विश्वम इति इन प्लस अच सर्वं विष्णुमयं जगत इति वाक्यात् अस्य तथात्वं विष्णुः इति एकाक्षरकोशः. One important point missed out seems to be that A is A plus E. Earlier I mentioned A plus E, where A is upasarga of the dhatu E, but A is A plus E, and hence A is considered as a vowel denoting the guna effect as defined in the sutram 1-1-2 adaying gunaha at aing gunaha. By this guna effect, the coalescences sandhayaha become A or A plus E or E. That is, A plus E will become 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 A. As per Sutram 6-1-87, Ad Gunaha. For example, Deva plus Indraha, Devendraha, Maha plus Indraha, Mahendraha, Deva plus Ishaha, Deveshaha, Maha plus Ishaha, Maheshaha. Now about I. Swarocharaha अष्टादश छंदसि मात्रे द्वे सवर्णसंधिना आदेशः I plus A आये. Note, the I becomes I and the next A adds into it, so आये. For example, रमायै एतत्, रमायाय एतत्. सवर्णसंधिना आदेशः I plus I equal to आयै. Now first I becomes I, next I adds into it and it becomes ayai. For example, ramayai aichat, ramayai aichat. I nipatobhimukhi karane, an interjection to attract attention. I vachandehi. This is from Bhakti Kavyam. In Shabdakalpadrumaha, this has been mentioned as I avyayam eti iti, A plus in plus which, auhanam, smaranam, amantranam iti medini. Aihi, masculine, name of Shiva. In Shabdakalpadrumaha also this has been mentioned as Aihi pullingam eti prapnoti sarvam, ang plus in plus which. Maheshwaraha iti ekakshara kosha. Name of Shiva in Aptech Dictionary, Maheshwaraha from ekakshara kosha in Shabdakalpadrumaha. Aihi, indeclinable, an interjection of calling, hello, oh, remembrance, inviting. Also, aihi, kruro dharani nata, puro maro maro suraha, कुलालो राधरः प्राज्ञो मंदः पुत्रोऽथवा नरः. This is quoted in Apte's dictionary from Ekarthanamamala of Saubhari. I is a vowel denoting the Vriddhi effect as defined in Sutram 1-1-1, first sutra of Ashtadhyayi. Vriddhiradaich, Vriddhi at aich. By this Vriddhi effect, the coalescence, Sandhaya, a or a plus a or I become I. A plus a, I. A plus I, I. A plus a, I. A plus I. As per Sutram 6-1-88, Vriddhirechi. For example, Eka plus Eka, Ekaika. Sa Esha, Saisha. Na Aichat, Naichat. Sa plus Aichat, Saichat. O. स्वरोच्चाराः 18 छन्दसि मात्रे 2 सवर्णसन्धिना आदेशः O plus O, avo. Note, first O becomes av and the next O adds into it, so it becomes avo. O plus au, avau. First O becomes au adds into it, avau. O, masculine, noun. Auhu, that is the Prathama Vibhakti Ekvachanam. Name of Brahma. In Shabdakalpadrumaha, this is mentioned as O Pullingam Brahma iti Ekakshara Kosha, quoted from Ekakshara Kosha. O, indeclinable, a vocative particle, O. O, an interjection of calling, hello, ho, remembrance, compassion, ah. In Shabdakalpadrumaha, this was mentioned as O Avyayam Sambodhanam, calling, Sambodhan. Avhanam, also calling. Smaranam, remembrance. Anukampa, compassion. Iti Medini. This is from Medini Vyakya. O, the number Mahapadma. Also, Orveda, Jno Dhruvo, Gastyo, Garudo, Gokshayo, Suraha, Akuh Kanoth, Marjaras, Sadhu Sangha Parasharaha. Quoted in Apte's dictionary from Ekarthanamamala of Saubhari. In Sanskrit grammar, O is A plus U, and hence O is considered as a vowel denoting the guna effect, as defined in the Sutram 1-1-2, Adeng Gunaha, At Eng Gunaha. By this guna effect, the coalescences, Sandhayaha, A or A plus U or U become O. A plus U becomes 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 O. As per Sutram 6-1-87, Ad Gunaha. For example, Deva plus Udakam, Devodakam. Maha plus Udakam, Mahodakam. Deva plus Urja, Devorja. Maha plus Urja, Mahorja. Now, Au. Swarocharaha 18 छन्दसि मात्रे 2 सवर्णसन्धिना आदेशः औ plus au plus o, avo. See, au becomes av and to that o adds in, so it becomes avo. Au plus au, first au becomes av plus au adds it into it, avau. Au, a masculine noun, sound. Name of Shesha or Ananta and the number Jaladhi. In Shabdakalpadrumaha, Auhu Pullingam Anantaha iti Ekakshara Kosha. Nisvanaha iti Medini. Auhu Shvayuvanaro Nari Bhavas Sukshma Prajapatihi Sthulo Jarak Kalavanshcha Sukhi Durgaratih Kavihi. In Ekarthanamamala of Saubhari. Au, the sacred syllable of the Shudras, See Kalika Puranam. Au is a feminine noun meaning the earth. Subantaha of Au will be similar to those of now meaning boat. In Shabdakalpadrumaha Auhu Strilingam Vishwambhara iti Medini. Vishwambhara, so earth. Au, indeclinable. An interjection of one calling, oh, hello. Au, addressing, oh, au. Opposition, au, assertion or determination. In Shabdakalpadrumaha, this has been mentioned as au, avyayam, auhanam, calling, sambodhanam, addressing, iti medini. Virodhaha nirnayaha iti shabdaratnavali. Virodhaha, opposition. Nirnaya, determination. So, in Update Dictionary, the meanings both from Medini Vakhya and Shabdaratnavali as compiled in Shabdakalpadrumaha have been taken into account in Update Dictionary also. Ganabheda. Such a chadihi iti Paninihi 1457. This Panini Sutram 1457 possibly quotes Chadaya Satve, Chadayo Satve, Chadayaha Asatve. And because there is the word Adi in Chadayaha, so what all are included under Chadayaha is detailed in Ganabheda. It is a separate detail, Ganaha. Note, as mentioned for O, masculine, Auhu, name of Brahma, by that Auhu is Pullingam Prathama Ekvachanam of Pratipadikam O. Au is a vowel denoting the Vruddhi effect as defined in the Sutram 1-1-1, the first Sutram. Vruddhiradaich, Vruddhi at aich. By this Vruddhi effect, the coalescences Sandaya, A or A plus O or Au become Au. That is, A plus O, Au. A plus Au, Au. A plus O, Au. A plus Au, Au. As per the Sutram 6-1-88, Vruddhi Rechi. Vruddhi Echi. For example, Eka plus Oshadhi, Ekaushadhi. Ganga plus Ogha, Gangaugha. Eka plus Autkathyam, Ekautkatyam, Kantyam. Krishna plus Outkantyam, Krishnautkanthyam. Another interesting point to be noted is that in Devanagari Varnamala, what we were taught the sequence was A, I, O, Au. The logic in the sequence A, I, O, Au is that Uchcharana Sthanam of A, I is Talukantau and Uchcharana Sthanam of O, Au is Kanthoshthau. The sequence in Shiva Sutrani is Shiva Sutram 3, A, Om. The logic in the sequence is that both A and O denote the Guna effect. And in Shiva Sutram 4, I, Ouch. The logic in this sequence is that both I and Au denote Vruddhi effect. As has been discussed above, all vowels can be Visarga Sahita or Visarga Rahita. In the title of this Kanika, I included Aha just because it completes the sequence, Varnamala, as is learned traditionally. But Aha has already been studied in Kanika number 3. That leaves only to be studied. But it deserves a separate study, which I shall do in the next Kanika. So for the present, Shubhamastu.